guys, we are at the Riverwalk. I think I'm looking like a fool with this sweater on. I'm scared to do that. Whew, gosh, it's hot. And I have on these boots. I wonder is this weather gonna stay like this? That's the question. I should have bought my tennis shoes and did some walking. We could have did some walking. Cause it feel good without this weather now. Oh, guys. Oh, it feel good. Oh, it feel good. Oh my God. This is considered our river walk in my hometown. We have the whitewater rafting. Oh. Everybody walking their dogs. Yeah. I think I'm the only one looking like food out here with these. Oh, so oh. Okay, we're headed to the house. Yes, sir. Headed to the house. I just don't feel like cooking. Won't y'all cook for me sometime? Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to a start of a new vlog. This is gonna be just a short vlog. I'm gonna go over some shades that I have. They are some dupes, so I'm gonna go over them with you. And also I will link the description in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoy. And guys, thank you. We at 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. And thank you. Guys, also, I would like to thank you all for the support I've gotten from you guys from the vlog that I did on my daughter. Actually, that was the first time I went to social media about it. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, it took me back in a place. And today I had to say, let me snap out of this because I was dealing with grief. I was dealing with a loss. My aunt rolled out. Actually, y'all saw that balloon release we did on her. And then it coming up on the anniversary date of my sister's son. And we both lost our oldest child. But this vlog is not about that. So let's get into these shades, okay? So let's get into the first shades are some clear shades. They might need cleaning, child. They might need clean. There are some clear shades, very cute. I know, matter of fact, let me get y'all some likes in. Hey, Google, turn bin lamp on. That's my husband's lamp. Is that made it better? No, we're going to. Hey, Google, turn bin lamp off. I look better, but what the heck he got? Child, he got a box behind the chair. But these are some clear shades. I thought they were so cute. And so what do y'all think? And also, we're going to be listening to some little old school music. Okay, so the first music we were listening to was some Tina Marie and some Rick James. I can understand your problem like me. And if you don't mind. Child, I love me some Tina Marie and some Rick James. That Fire and Desire. Woo! Okay, so we're going to get into the next pair of shades. These next pair of shades I'm going to put on, guys. These are some Bottega Dupes. These shades regular price about $600 to $700. I found them on Amazon. I think they was like 20-something. They were like 20-something. No, they were like 17-something at the time. I don't know what they are now, but I will put the link in the description bar. So these are some Bottega Dupes latest Amazon. Mine's need clean. They're kind of dirty. They need clean. They've been. So aren't they cute? If you don't have your pair, go ahead and grab your pair for Amazon. And guys, I'm going to put the link in the description bar. I haven't forgot y'all. So here you go. Aren't they cute? Cute. Hey. So they are Bottega boots. Boots. I see boots, baby. Get your mouth right, girl. They are Bottega Dupes. And they run, these shades run $500 to $700. And they're on Amazon for the low, you see? And I'm going to put up on the top and let y'all see the comparison. They look just alike. So I'm going to put them up top. So we're going to go to the next shades. Okay, guys, this next song, yeah, I think all us ladies love this song. And this is what Lisa Stanfield. So let's get into the next shades. These next shades I'm finna put on for you guys. These are some Tom Ford Dukes. And I'm going to put these shades and put the compares up there. They look just the same. They have, y'all see the T up in it? They look just alike. And those shades, they want anywhere from $300 to $600 too. And I put I'm going to put everything, guys. I know I'm keep repeating. I'm put everything, the link and everything in the description box. So these are some Tom Ford Dupes. If you don't know by now, I love some shade. So let's get into it. She smiles at him as he walks through the door. These are shades like who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna get in like Cherie? Who gonna check me, boo? Let's stop. We don't want to get copyright. So we're gonna go in these next shades, guys. These next shades are Christian Dior Dupes. And I'm going to put the comparison up there for you guys. And they look just like them, don't they? For a lesser price. And y'all, I think these run about same price. They're all their shades and Louis Vuitton, Fendi, all their shades run about the same, $600-700. I'm not finna spend that much type of money on no shade, and I could get the same one for the same price. So you see that? Ain't it cute? Cute, ain't it? I like those. They are very cute. So these are the Christian Dior dupes. I hope you guys like them. And you know, they're going to be in the description box. So these are the Christian Dior dupes. And I'll put, again, the compares up there for y'all. And guys, these last shades I got for y'all, it's our girl, Riri. It's the Tom, not the Tom, the Fendi, y'all see, you got the F in there. Y'all see the F? It's the Fendi dupes. Yes, 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 yes. They was on Amazon. They was on Amazon. Actually, guys, I tried to find the link for these guys. I will do my best to try to look in my Amazon store. I went back from all the way from 2022 all the way up to current, because that's when I started getting my shade. And I didn't see these shades in there no more. I don't know they sold out, or I don't know they have one again. But I do my best to try to get the link for these shades. If not, I'll let y'all know in the description box that I wasn't able to get the link for you guys. But I did get these dupes from Amazon also. So these are the Fendi shades. So I'm going to go over with them with y'all one more time. See. Very cute. And as they would say, very demure. So I'm going to go back over all the shades that I once put on for you guys. So I'm going to repeat everything over for you guys. Let y'all see. And I hope you guys like those shades. And I'm going to get some more music coming for you guys. This one right here, the plug by the Isles Brothers and Snoop. That's the Isles Brothers, the plug. The name of the song is The Plug. Guys, so the first pair I had on for you guys, they were these clear pair. And she looking very, what the young generation be saying, I guess everybody be saying, and she looking demure, very demure. Say yes, yes, I love these clear. But guys, when the sun is very bright, I cannot wear these type of glasses because I don't know why it do something with my eyes. So when the sun is bright, I have to wear some dark shades. But when the sunlight looking very kind of cloudy or something, I can wear these. I can. But yes, they are cute. Very demure. So, very cute. Okay, next pair. Hey, I got a feeling. You can tell me if I'm wrong. Girl, I think you might be. And she don't need smoke. All right, so the next one was the Bottega Dupes one I had on for you guys. And very comfortable. Very comfortable. They are very comfortable. When I say all the shades I have comfortable, I don't wear nothing that's not comfortable. Just trust and believe me. Even my clothes down to my shoes. I might have on some heels, but them heels, I'm gonna put them thing on look cute, take my picture, but I'm gonna be back in some slide. But yes, back to the shades. These are the Bottega Dupes. Photo cheese. The next shade was the Tom Fords. So here we go, Tom Fords. These are the Tom Ford dupes. Yes, They was on Amazon, believe it or not. So Tom Ford. The next one was the Christian Dior Dupes. Child, I need to clean these shades. I should have been shaming myself coming on here like this. But these are the Christian Dior. Aren't they cute? And the last one, guys, was the Finney. That was the last one. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry for the short vlog this week. It just, I have to get myself back and bounce myself back. But I'm going to close this out. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you for the 500 subscribers. I really appreciate y'all support. I thank you so much for supporting me and being a major support on the vlog I post about my daughter. Thank you. Thank you.